Our next song is called American Images, and it's a medley of 3 classic American folk songs. The first of those is called Goober Peas, which is kind of a funny name. It was a Civil War song, and Goober Peas, that was a nickname for peanuts. And some of the kids noticed that the composer's name was P. Nut. So I don't know if that was actually true or not, but that's what it says on the music. That'll be followed up by Sweet Betsy from Pike, and finished up with the Stephen Foster classic, Oh Susanna.